I'm Steve Ray from Shermac. We are manufacturers of water carts and service vehicles, but predominantly for the mining industries. We are based in Dalwalinu. I guess some of the challenges we're experiencing in manufacturing, we were going into building heavy modules or tanks for rigid dump trucks and bigger products. So we engaged with AUSPAN, and they helped us come up with a shed design that allowed us to have the craneage capacity and the hook height that we needed to safely and efficiently move these modules around, lift them and turn them. The shed we got AUSPAN to build, it's a 42.5 by 32.5 by 13 metre heavy fabrication workshop. The primary feature in this shed is it's got a 14.5 metre front section and then a lean-to off the back of it. But in the 14.5 metre section at the front, it's got 50 tonne of craneage capacity. So we've got two 25 tonne overhead cranes. The shed's been going well. The staff that work in it like it. It's a fully insulated shed. It keeps cool in the summer, keeps warm in the winter. It's performed well, and we're very happy with the product. Obviously, a building of this size and this height, there's a few challenges, but the team that put it up did it very effectively. And then even the way the shed was built on the ground and then lifted, it gives us it's a very safe and effective way to do the building. To have a project manager that took care of it from start to finish, it was very beneficial. It meant that the project flowed seamlessly, and any dramas we had one point of contact. I guess we chose AUSPAN because they are leaders in this game. They're well known. It was all about solutions for what we needed, and we trusted them for the job. I would 100% recommend AUSPAN. They're a good team, a very sound and integral company, and they build a good product, and they're here for the long haul.